What's up, everybody? I got a pretty special, pretty cool, interesting video here today. Some of you might not like it, but this is what we're gonna do. See, we have an old Gentex smoke alarm with the strobe. We have a hammer and eye protection. In case you guys are wondering why those are there, well, I think you might know. We are going to be smashing the alarm. So just so y'all know, I'm wearing this eye protection so I'm safe. This alarm is from 1993. And it barely works. I don't have the parts to plug it in, and it's not gonna last too much longer. It's falling apart, so I'm gonna go ahead and smash it today. Why not? All right, we're gonna keep this plain and simple. I'm just gonna smash it, see what happens. So let's see what happens. I'm making sure no plastic goes on the grass. Do not worry. I'm safe, and the grass is hopefully safe. Oh my God. I popped the whole strobe off. All right. I'm just using a hammer so it's not gonna shoot. It's pretty solid. It's really solid, wow. And there's the strobe. There's no way that's ever gonna work. Oh my God, the whole thing's cracked. Okay, I think I'm leaving it there.